Today we have a 2011 Volvo XC60. It's the all-wheel drive 3.0 motor, which is a T6. Normal maintenance is replacing the air cleaner every 10 to 15,000. We're going to show you where that's located and how to do it. This is your Volvo T6 motor, which happens to be a 3.0. Your air cleaner happens to be located right here. And it is held in by these little Torx, like this right here. T25, you have one here, one here, one here, and if you had a light, there's one straight down there. So let's take those out. And they don't come all the way out, which is nice so they don't drop. Loose. This back one's back corner. This was recently purchased by the people and they don't even know if it's been serviced recently. It's something should be done every 10 or 15,000 miles. For whatever reason, that one does come out. Crazy. Have to double check the rest of them. This one's actually loose. So we'll try to, oh yeah, it pulls right up. All right. Now we're going to pull this up if we got enough room and just stick the new one right in. Yeah, it looks like it hasn't been serviced in a while. We'll check out the new one we got. We got this one at CarQuest. And it looks exactly the same. See how white that one is? And like this one hasn't been serviced in a while. Actually, it says Volvo on it, so I know they've been having it serviced at like Firestone or Bell, so that makes me a little nervous that it hasn't been done in a while. This goes down like that. Just put it in there. Nice and easy. And you know, I mean, it helps your gas mileage. It helps the engine perform better. I mean, I don't know why people don't do it more often. It's a fairly inexpensive part. And this one's actually fairly easy to get at. Get that one in the back corner back here. It's really hard to see. And this is the only one that came out. So you just got to make sure that, I don't think it's supposed to come out just because it's older. So we'll start that one. Tighten that one down. These are rather long. Snug that one up. That one's tight. 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 The last one. A little tougher to see, but tight. And that's all it takes to change the air cleaner on a 2011 Volvo XC60 with a 3.0 motor.